Your pizza tasting more smoky than delicious? The type of wood you use in a pizza oven makes all the difference. Too much smoke, too little heat, or the wrong flavor can ruin your crust and toppings. The right wood burns hot, clean, and adds that authentic wood-fired taste we all love. In this video, I'll share the top 5 best woods for pizza ovens that give you the perfect balance of heat and flavor, so your homemade pizza comes out crispy, aromatic, and restaurant quality every time. So, without any delay, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is 5 Oaks Pizza Oven Wood, a reliable option for home cooks who want consistent performance without guesswork. As the name suggests, 5 Oaks specializes in hardwoods, oak being one of the gold standards for pizza ovens. Oak burns hot and steady, which is exactly what you need for quick cooking pizzas that crisp on the outside while staying chewy inside. The medium-sized pieces are easy to load into smaller outdoor pizza ovens like Ooni or Bertello, making it a great pick for backyard setups. Many users appreciate that it lights relatively easily and produces minimal ash, keeping cleanup simple. On the downside, availability can vary, and you may need to double-check moisture levels to make sure the wood is fully seasoned. Still, if you're looking for a solid American hardwood option to kick up your pizza game, 5 Oaks gives you the reliability that classic oak is known for. At number 4, we have Woodover Pizza Oven Wood, which sets itself apart by including fire starters in the bundle. Anyone who struggled to get a pizza oven roaring hot knows that reliable ignition is half the battle, and the included starters make setup almost foolproof. The wood itself is kiln-dried, which means it has low moisture content for cleaner burns, higher heat, and less smoke. This makes it an excellent choice for consistent pizza results. The smaller pieces are cut to fit most portable ovens, so you don't need to chop or split anything before cooking. While the fire starters are convenient, keep in mind they burn out quickly, so they're just a jump start. You'll still need a good supply of logs for sustained heat. But for beginners who want an easy entry into wood-fired pizza, Woodover provides both the fuel and the tools to get you started on the right foot. Taking the number 3 spot is VersaWood Pizza Oven Wood, known for its kiln-dried hardwood pieces that deliver reliable high heat. Kiln drying is a big deal because it brings the moisture content down to an optimal level, usually under 15%, so the wood burns hotter and with less smoke than air-dried alternatives. VersaWood pieces are cut specifically for pizza ovens, which means you don't have to deal with oversized logs or awkward cuts that don't fit. What North American pizza lovers like most is the clean burn that allows the flavors of their toppings and dough to shine without being overpowered by harsh smoke. While it doesn't always have the brand recognition of other suppliers, VersaWood's consistency and kiln drying process make it a dependable choice. If you're looking for an easy-burning, high-heat fuel that won't distract from the flavor of your pizza, this one deserves a spot in your oven. Coming in at number 2, we've got Old Potter's Kiln-Dried Pizza Oven Cooking Logs, a brand that has earned a reputation among backyard chefs for reliability. These logs are kiln-dried, ensuring low moisture and steady, long-lasting burns. That's especially important when you want your oven to hold the 700 to 900 degrees Fahrenheit range for authentic Neapolitan-style pizza. Old Potter's offers logs in smaller, oven-friendly sizes, making them easy to use in compact pizza ovens without constant cutting or trimming. Reviewers often highlight the clean, neutral flavor profile, which lets the fresh ingredients in your pizza shine. While these logs tend to be priced a bit higher than standard firewood, you're paying for convenience, consistency, and peace of mind. For serious pizza enthusiasts who don't want to gamble with uneven moisture or smoky burns, Old Potter's is a strong, dependable option that delivers professional results right in your backyard. Finally, our number 1 pick is Gimsoon Pizza Oven and Cooking Wood. What sets this option apart is its focus on long-lasting, clean-burning hardwood pieces designed specifically for cooking. These kiln-dried logs provide a powerful, steady flame that can sustain high oven temperatures without producing excessive smoke or soot. That means you get perfectly cooked crust with just the right touch of wood-fired flavor. The consistent sizing makes them ideal for both portable ovens and larger brick ovens, so no matter your setup, they're easy to work with. American home cooks praise Gimsoon for its balance of heat output and clean burn, which makes it versatile not only for pizza, but also for baking bread or roasting meats. While the price point can be higher than generic firewood, the performance and cooking-grade quality make it worth every penny. If you're serious about authentic wood-fired pizza, Gimsoon is the top choice for the perfect pie every time.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!